Yo, how are you there, sir?
Daddy?
Who that? Oh man, come open that door. Tell me what Marcus feel like. Tiffany? Tiffany? Tiffany, it's me. It's your uncle, Carlton. So, Tiffany, how you reach here? How you reach home?
Daddy carried me. Uncle Carlton, you scared me, man. I thought it was.
Alright, yeah, I'm sorry. I understand. I'm sorry. So, where's Marcus?
I don't know. I just woke up looking for him.
So, him leave you alone? When you come home?
Before yesterday night, he never tell us him come back.
So, why never call me? Yo, I can't understand I can't understand Marcus. So, hold on there. You live here by yourself with them two idiots that were called bodyguard?
He told me last night that he had an important meeting to go. He wasn't gonna go, but Dr. Grant was supposed to come by. She didn't come. So I guess he felt safe with the bodyguards that he left outside.
Bodyguard? A bodyguard them there? The one in front asleep and the next one him unaware when me pull up. Why him never call me?
That uncle, I don't even know how to address you.
Tiffany, you can address me any way that make you comfortable. All of this is new for me too, and weird. But I am here. And either way, I'm family. I know you've been through a lot. So, address me as whatever. I just want to be here for you.
Uncle, is mom really there?
Marcus never tell you?
Tell me. What?
We identified the body. So, yes.
It's all my fault, Uncle.
No, Tiffany, you can't blame yourself.
It's my fault, Mom is
No,
dead.
Tiffany. No, it's not your fault.
I've seen so much. Oh God, Mom. Carlton, I've seen so much. How can I come back from all of this? It's too much. It's too much.
It's okay, Tiffany. It's okay. We'll get through this. The three of us. Me, you, and Marcus. We're family.